today's fast-paced world, where collaboration becomes the cornerstone of productivity, Microsoft has introduced a revolutionary approach to document creation, vibe working through its Copilot AI-powered tools. This shift marks a departure from traditional one-time solutions, allowing users to let AI handle tasks while guiding them through the process. By integrating agent mode into Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, Microsoft aims to redefine how businesses and individuals interact with digital workflows. Instead of relying solely on developers, users now have access to AI-driven features that streamline complex tasks, such as updating reports in Word or analyzing data in Excel. Meanwhile, Office Agent in Copilot provides a chat-based interface for creating PowerPoint decks or Word documents, starting from simple prompts and refining results through iterative feedback. This move reflects Microsoft's broader strategy to expand beyond its current AI models, partnering with companies like Anthropic to introduce advanced generative AI capabilities. As a result, Microsoft 365 is positioning itself as a leader in business innovation, with features that promise to transform how professionals collaborate and manage their digital assets. However, this evolution is not without controversy. Some argue that the shift toward AI-driven tools may reduce human intervention, while others see it as a step forward in empowering teams. To stay engaged, consider exploring the latest developments and participating in discussions around the implications of these changes.